Do you want to add more things?
Well, shall I take off these words here since I've got them at the top now?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, that will make it easier for us to find the next thing to do. Okay, that is good. You can delete them. You just yeah. So you can just do it from there. No, just delete.
Just
Yeah, as you do.
okay.
Normal. Exactly. Okay.
Okay, what happened to the picture now?
I don't
It's
know.
all right. I didn't want it there.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. So the other thing that you can do if you want to have more control in the things that you are deleting and so on, or if you want, for example, to see, okay, what is this color that I was using before? So you can choose the same color there. Okay. So when you see on the left, you see that you are editing this thing, and you see you are invited to a tonight, whatever. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can also delete things from there directly if it's easier for you.
Okay.
And then the other thing is that you can go and check also the text part instead of the visual thing. Go to the text thing. So it's in the text editor, add media, and on the right is visual and text. Oops. Yes. Just close that. Okay. Visual and text. Visual
Okay.
shows it like it is, and text shows the HTML. And it doesn't matter. So it's the thing is that, for example, you can see here that it has a span, a style, color 003300 down there.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you can find what colors are and put the same colors in the text that you are using.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. So, and you can, if you want to delete the things, you can go ahead and delete the things from here,
Okay.
from the left instead of the right. Sometimes it makes it easier. Okay, perfect.